Welcome to Top 5 Verdict. The best Skinnytaste Air Fryer Dinners cookbook is probably one of the most anticipated cookbooks for anyone looking to make healthier, delicious meals using their air fryer, offering a fantastic collection of recipes that are both easy to follow and packed with flavor, making it an essential addition to your kitchen library if you're aiming for lighter, quicker, and more satisfying dinners without compromising on taste or convenience. Number 5. Ninja Foodi 8-Quart DualZone Air Fryer DZ201. Introducing the revolutionary air fryer with 2 independent baskets. Now you can cook 2 different foods simultaneously, saving you time and effort. Our innovative DualZone technology lets you perfectly time 2 meals with smart finish, or easily replicate settings with Match Cook for a full 8-quart capacity. This appliance offers 6 cooking programs: air fry, air broil, roast, bake, reheat, and dehydrate. Cleanup is a breeze with dishwasher-safe parts. With its generous 8-quart capacity, you can prepare complete meals for your family or cook up to 4 pounds of fries or wings at once. Each of the 2 4-quart zones features its own basket, fan, and heater, ensuring optimal cooking for each dish. Enjoy your favorite fried foods with up to 75% less fat compared to traditional frying methods. It's a healthier way to achieve delicious results. What we like. This air fryer features 2 independent baskets, allowing you to cook 2 different foods simultaneously. If you often find yourself cooking for a family or need to prepare mains and sides at the same time, this is the perfect solution for quick, easy meals. Its smart finish feature ensures both dishes are ready together, saving you valuable time. What people say. The recipes are easy to follow and the results are delicious. I love that the cookbook includes a variety of meals, from appetizers to desserts. The air fryer cooking times are accurate and the instructions are clear. Number 4. Skinnytaste One and Done Cookbook. Discover a world of delicious and simple recipes designed for your busy life. This cookbook offers 140 no-fuss dinners that are perfect for any occasion. Unlock the full potential of your kitchen appliances with our expertly crafted recipes. From Instant Pot to air fryer, we've got you covered. Enjoy mouth-watering meals without the stress. These recipes are designed for maximum flavor with minimum preparation time. This collection is your ultimate guide to quick and easy weeknight dinners. Spend less time in the kitchen and more time enjoying your food. Whether you're using a skillet, Dutch oven, or slow cooker, these recipes are guaranteed to impress. Get ready for delicious results every time. Embrace healthy eating without sacrificing taste. These dishes are packed with flavor and made with wholesome ingredients. What we like. This cookbook offers 140 simple dinner recipes designed for various appliances, including your air fryer. If you're looking for versatile, healthy meal ideas that don't require a lot of fuss and can be made using different kitchen tools, this is an excellent choice. It's ideal for busy individuals or families seeking convenient and nutritious weeknight dinners. What people say. Each of the recipes is laid out on one page for easy cooking and includes a full color picture and nutritional information. Gina also includes useful instructions for converting recipes from one appliance to another. I love the concept this book is based off of. I only dirty one pan, and it's the pan my food is served out of, making cleanup much easier on busy weeknights. Number 3. Air Fryer Cookbook, 600 Recipes. Discover a world of delicious possibilities with this comprehensive cookbook. It's designed to make your air frying journey simple and enjoyable, no matter your skill level. Explore over 600 easy-to-follow recipes that will transform your meals. From quick weeknight dinners to impressive weekend feasts, you'll find something for every occasion. Whether you're new to air frying or a seasoned pro, these recipes are crafted for success. You'll master new techniques and impress your taste buds with minimal effort. Get started with confidence thanks to clear instructions and helpful tips. This guide ensures that even beginners can achieve perfect results every time. For those looking to elevate their cooking, explore advanced recipes and creative ideas. Push the boundaries of what you thought was possible with your air fryer. This cookbook is your essential guide to unlocking the full potential of your air fryer. Enjoy healthier, tastier meals with ease and creativity. What we like. With 600 effortless recipes, this cookbook caters to everyone from beginners to advanced users. If you want to maximize your air fryer's potential and explore a vast range of dishes, this is the book for you. It's perfect for those who enjoy experimenting with their air fryer and are looking for a comprehensive collection of easy-to-follow recipes. What people say. The cookbook does not have pictures, but that makes any cookbook costly. The table of contents is laid out with several chapters: quick and easy, brunch, snacks and side dishes, pork, beef and lamb, poultry, fish and seafood, vegetables and vegetarian, sweets and desserts. It also has a measurement conversions page, air fryer cooking chart, and an index. Correct, no pictures, but so simple to follow, and the outcome is just fabulous. So far I have entertained 4 groups of friends and my family daily. Over the month I have had the book. Everyone has just enjoyed the outcome of each meal, from fresh fish, through meats, chicken, turkey and veg. This book has more information on different things to cook than I will ever be able to use. Number 2. Skinnytaste Air Fryer Cookbook. Discover the best healthy recipes for your air fryer. This cookbook is packed with delicious and nutritious meal ideas. Explore 75 amazing recipes designed to make your air fryer meals exciting. You'll find something for everyone to enjoy. Make healthy eating simple and enjoyable with these air fryer recipes. They are perfect for quick weeknight dinners or weekend treats. Experience the incredible taste and convenience of air frying. These recipes will help you create flavorful dishes with less oil. This is your ultimate guide to mastering your air fryer. Get ready to impress yourself and your family with amazing meals. What we like. This cookbook focuses on the 75 best healthy recipes specifically for your air fryer. If you prioritize healthy eating and want delicious, air fryer optimized meals, this is a must-have. It's ideal for anyone looking to enjoy guilt-free, flavorful dishes made easily in their air fryer. What people say. The beginning has a nice intro about air fryer basics. Amazingly enough, it also has a conventional oven cooking chart in case you want to make any of the recipes in your oven instead of the air fryer, which is nice in case you're cooking several items that need to be baked, so you can choose which cooking method you want for each dish. Every recipe in this book is for basket air fryers. Also included in each recipe are directions for adapting to a toaster oven style air fryer. The recipes included are easily adapted to the type of air fryer you own. I've just tweaked the cook time slightly. The ingredients are exactly what I have in my pantry, nothing extravagant or pricey. Number 1. Skinnytaste One and Done Cookbook. Tired of complicated recipes and endless cleanup? Discover a new way to cook delicious, healthy meals with minimal effort. This cookbook is your guide to stress-free dinners. Featuring 140 no-fuss recipes, this collection is designed for your busy lifestyle. Spend less time in the kitchen and more time enjoying your food. Unlock the potential of your favorite kitchen appliances, from instant pots and slow cookers to air fryers and sheet pans. We make cooking simple and enjoyable. Enjoy wholesome, flavorful dishes without the fuss. These recipes are perfect for anyone looking to eat well without sacrificing taste or convenience. This comprehensive cookbook offers a variety of options for every cooking method. It's the perfect addition to any home cook's collection. Whether you're using a skillet, Dutch oven, or any other appliance, these recipes are designed for success. Get ready for delicious, satisfying meals every time. What we like. This cookbook offers 140 simple dinner recipes designed for various appliances, including your air fryer. If you're looking for versatile, healthy meal ideas that don't require a lot of fuss and can be made using different kitchen tools, this is an excellent choice. It's ideal for busy individuals or families seeking convenient and nutritious weeknight dinners. What people say. Each of the recipes is laid out on one page for easy cooking and includes a full color picture and nutritional information, which I found very helpful. Gina also includes useful instructions for converting recipes from one appliance to another, in case, for example, you didn't have an air fryer or just wanted to use the oven instead. I love the concept this book is based off of. I only dirty one pan, and it's the pan my food is served out of, making cleanup much easier on busy weeknights. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.